What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And before I introduce the legend standing next to me, I need to tell you guys a bit of a story, right? So this particular car standing behind me is a car that was trending a few months ago. And one of my wishes was that I get to see this car in person. Unfortunately, I didn't see the car at Gravity, but something told me that I'm going to be seeing this car at Ultimate Stance. And when I seen the car pull up, I wish I played the lotto numbers because God answered my prayers for it. So standing next to me is the legend that built the car. And I say legend, is gonna get shy now because he doesn't know how famous he is in South Africa. So bro, thank you so much for allowing us the opportunity. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah.
Please give the viewers in South Africa, and everyone watching an introduction on who you are.
Hi guys, and welcome to this year's project. Some of you may be already aware, if you've seen the first two videos, that this year what I want to build is a Mercedes Gullwing.
That's why I did it.
Continuity won't look good. No. One minute I'm like this, and then next minute I come on. Well, I'm Andy Riley and I own Not Just Campers in Wakefield in the UK, and I've been building cars now since I was, well, 17, since I first started driving, and this is probably my latest creation that I've completed.
Nice.
Which is a replica, reproduction.
We spoke about replica last
Yeah,
time.
you did, yeah. So this is a reproduction of a 300 SL 1957 Gullwing. Do you want me to tell the story of this came about?
That was going to be my next question. So this is very interesting, guys.
Yeah, well, I've been researching these for many years and collecting parts for these. So the handles I've had for 3 years virtually, just sat there waiting for the right car. And I've seen the kits that people sell out there, but they're just not right.
Yeah.
The body proportions don't look right.
Yeah.
And I've been asking probably about 6 or 7 people that have got Gullwings if I could do a mold of their car to do a body. And everybody, obviously, if you've got a £1 million car, you're not going to
For mold.
Exactly. So luckily I found a chap that is a boat builder.
Yeah.
His best friend has one. And one day he phoned me up and he said, "We've got some good news. He's crashed the car." And I was like, "Well, how's that good news?" And he said, "Well, he's going to let us take a mold off of it now before the insurance company repair it."
Yeah.
So we managed to get the car, take a mold of it. Unfortunately, when the mold came and we took it, the car was damaged. So when we reproduced it, this had damage on it. So we had to, all the driver's side, we had to cut all the passenger side, to cut all of that off so it was damaged, reproduce this side again,
But
mirror it,
and
then mold it all back on.
okay.
That was before we even sourced the vehicle to do it.
And what was the inspiration behind this build? Why a Gullwing?
I've always wanted one. It's one of them cars that I think is more than just a car.
Yes.
It is a piece of art.
Of course.
The
best Mercedes.
Yeah.
Arguably.
Very much so. Probably one of arguably the first supercar.
Yes.
And they're just so elegant.
Yeah.
And I wanted to put my spin on it. So
no, I like it. And I mean, if you look at the finishes, so what I love about your story is the fact that you had some of the parts before you actually started with the boat.
Yes.
You know, and that is important because
Yeah.
it just goes to show you, oh, look at that.
So it's complete one piece.
Amazing, amazing.
And that's a little lock for it as well, it locks. So it's just a little catch that locks over.
Nice, lovely. Okay, cool. And it's obviously the body. What chassis is it running on?
The chassis is an SLK, it's a 320 V6.
Nice,
Manual as well.
lovely.
So it's got
It's
the fire.
fun. It's
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah, it is really good fun.
Okay.
It's still, even though it looks period with a period dashboard,
Yeah.
the period steering wheel,
Original steering wheel.
original steering wheel from America.
Yeah.
New old stock. I found it in somebody had it in a box in America.
Okay.
That was a lot of money. A lot of money, but you can't put
A price on stuff like that.
No, it has to be correct.
And I think that adds to the overall value of the car. And that's why when you were chatting to me yesterday,
Yep.
you said it's not a replica, and I agree with you because it's got a lot of original bits. I don't think it must be classed as a replica.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, and what were some of the challenges you faced with the boat?
The body, obviously, because it curves under,
Yeah.
you have to split it in certain sections to be able to get on the chassis.
Yeah.
So you have to cut the chassis down completely
Okay.
and then re-weld parts of the wheel arches back in. The boot, for instance, so the boot,
Yeah.
the petrol tank on the SLK is actually behind the seats.
Yes.
And I've left it behind the seat.
Okay.
So it still allows me, so just behind all the suitcase and everything is my air compressor, my air tanks.
Nice.
But it still has shoe inside it. Still gives you a really good boot as well.
And what air ride are you running in the car?
It's a mixture of Audi A3 and Mercedes parts that I put together. But as you can see, there's still really, really big boot.
Yeah, nice. I like it. Beautiful.
But some of your guys from South Africa will probably know that as I was telling you last night, this isn't the first, well, I've obviously built a few cars.
Yes.
Probably the other one that I was most famous for was my Audi 100 Coupe.
Yes.
That I actually bought from South Africa as well.
Yes, you were yes,
So
right, yeah.
you'll probably be, I'll send you some pictures and you can drop
Then we
in the
can drop
video.
it, yeah.
Yeah, and you can show that.
Nice.
I think what we should do, because obviously you were telling me about the guys in South Africa follow me and support me, which is fantastic, and I really, really do appreciate that. I think what I should do, I've got some cleaning products that I won when obviously I won a show, so I think what we should do, I've got 2 cleaning products.
Nice.
And what I think, good cleaning bags with everything in them, I think we should give them away as a giveaway to
I think so too.
Yeah.
So the way we're gonna run this,
Yep.
so we're gonna get our followers to go onto your channel
Yep.
and comment with their favorite part of this car.
Yep.
We're gonna do some cinematics. So go subscribe to the channel, comment on the post or comment on one of the posts. Did you post this car on your channel?
Yeah, it's on not just campers, on Instagram,
Yeah.
or YouTube as well. Put it on Instagram. If we see it on Instagram, the comment, there's actually, what we'll do is we'll take a picture of me and you.
Yeah.
We'll put that on Instagram,
Yes.
and then if you make the comment on there, we'll pick 2 people out,
Perfect.
and I'll actually physically send them to that person in South Africa.
Yes, I love it. I hope
Yeah.
you guys are excited because that's truly an honor to be getting a gift from the legend in the Mercedes game. I say that now because what you've done, I mean, when this car literally got posted the first time, the world, not the internet, the world, the universe went crazy.
Yeah, it was a bit mad. Yeah, it was a bit mad.
And we were chatting last night. You said something about you can't get used to all the attention with this car.
Yeah, it's one of them strange things that obviously I got the attention with the Audi, and I won here when we did Ultimate Dubs. I won there. I won Best in Show, which is brilliant.
Of course.
But then, like I say, I still can't, especially the YouTube stuff, because I mean, you came over to me yesterday and you were, we were chatting, and you was like, "Oh, I really want to talk to you," and I just can't understand people from all over the UK talking to me, you know, and knowing who I am. Some idiot that can't even speak English. So, but we had a good laugh last night. We had a few drinks last night. We had a real good talk.
He drank, I had Coke.
Yes, he did. He did add Coke. He did drink Coke. You left your water that I bought you, which I took back to my room, which I was thankful for actually. Yeah. So this is the build. We're doing another. We've got another Audi 100 Coupe that we're doing. And we've also got, at the moment, you'll probably see that on the internet. I think that'll probably blow up tonight.
Yeah.
I'm building a VW Transporter van. Do you have them in South Africa?
We do.
So I've got a T5 VW Transporter. I put an RS4 engine into it, which is, that's 420 brake horsepower, but it's a bit tame for us. So we've got 2 turbos, hoping to get it to 1,000 brake horsepower. And on Friday we started up for the first time without any manifolds on, anything, and it was very loud. It looked like a Spitfire with the flames. I nearly set fire to my co-worker. His legs got a bit warm, but it's all a bit of
All
fun.
in the fun.
Yeah, it's all good.
100%. Your favorite part of the car?
I think my favorite part of the car is this. People talking to me, people
Making friends.
and I think I said to you, we took it to Ultrace, which was the first show in Poland.
Yes.
And it didn't win a trophy there.
Yeah.
And a few people said to me, are you disappointed? And I mentioned this to you last night, and I said, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
I think when you drive it and people waving at you, or you put it at a show and people are taking pictures and smiling and talking to you, that's the ultimate prize. And it's just people. A car is there for not just you, it's for other people to enjoy as well.
Of course.
And I'm glad you enjoy it.
No, we do. And again, I think one of the things I said last night, what I love about old cars is how happy it makes people.
Yes.
And I'm sure you'll agree today, when the 3 times that I came to look for you today, I just saw people around the car and everyone's smiling and everyone's going crazy for the car.
Yeah.
You know, and that's what it's about. The trophy means nothing.
Yeah.
It's about the relationship.
Yeah.
It's about how happy this car makes people. And I think that is the essence of the car scene.
100%.
Well done.
Thank you.
I'm inspired. I don't think I'll be able to find a body like this in South Africa, but you inspired me for my next boat.
I think I was thinking about this last night, that maybe we should do a bit of a collaboration.
That'll be amazing.
That you find something in South Africa, you send it over to me, and I'll build it without telling you,
Nice.
and then we'll unveil it at a show.
That'll be cool. So let me know if you guys want us to partner up and do something like that. Comment down below, and don't forget, please follow his Instagram. Instagram is on the window. We're gonna pop up all the details. YouTube, some crazy builds. Trust me, guys. In order for more of these builds to happen, we need your support.
100%.
We need you guys to encourage us. So comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and thank you so much for tuning. It was a pleasure meeting you. I really enjoyed our time.
100%.
And we're definitely gonna be doing a lot of shows together.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. Take care, guys. And remember, comment down below. We'll send you a surprise package of all the cleaning products out. There's 2 to be won. So we'll pick something up. A nice comment.
Perfect. 100%.
I wouldn't have imagined.